Yuvraj, sorry, yeah, tell me something about yourself.
My name is Ibrahim. I am from Punjab.
Okay.
I completed my B.Tech Civil Engineering in 2018. Now I am doing job at engineering. My hobby is playing cricket.
Okay. So Yuvraj, today's question is, it is necessary to
Hello,
maintain.
your voice is not clear.
Morning. Good morning.
Hello.
Yeah, how is my voice now?
No, audible, sir, audible.
Okay. So today's question is it necessary to maintain a stationery?
And definitely the necessity to maintain because it is a part of our job. We maintain stationery.
Yes,
Then
yes.
we in our salary budget.
Okay.
So, how much salary budget should come on? There are not a lot of money spent on stationery because if we out for stationery, and then we have no spend for stationery.
Okay, just I am taking another panelist, Mr. Ramandeep. Yes, Ramandeep. Good morning. Okay, no problem. Then just I am taking another question. I am taking another question. Please wait. Just generating. Yeah. So, did you enjoy high school education?
And definitely I enjoy high school education because in high school education there are proper system in there are
Okay.
good discipline, there are mentally all system. So I want to go high school.
Okay. Why did you choose?
Why do,
Yeah.
I want to choose high school because their system is so their study is different from other like countries public.
Yeah. Just I am taking another question.
What kind of
Yeah.
in my country running is of early in the morning and go to run. So according to my point of view, running is most favorite exercise of every person.
Okay. So, and what do you think about yoga?
Yoga.
Yeah.
Yoga is also necessary, but those person who is elder ages, so yoga
Actually,
is best. Those people who are younger ages,
Yuvraj,
running and gym is best.
yeah, question is there, what kind of exercise are popular in your country? In our country, what kind of, yeah.
Running is also included in exercise.
Yeah, no doubt. Yeah, absolutely correct.
Yoga is not favorite for all.
Okay.
Because elder person likes yoga, but younger person not like yoga. He go to running and gym.
Okay, so do you think is exercising important?
And definitely exercise is important. Exercise keeps our body fit and fresh for all day.
Okay.
So my according, exercise is very important to every person. Keeps our and boost our confidence.
Okay. Just I am taking another question. Yeah, see on the screen or mobile screen. And do you like?
What kind of art? Art means color.
Yeah. Art means color. Art means color. For example, painting, drawing, yeah, any type of arts. Singing is also an example of art. Writing,
Yes, definitely. I like art.
Okay.
I do very well. My I I sing song on every function.
Mm-hmm.
I definitely I good at art.
Okay.
Because one of my friend also tell me you
Mhm.
are so
Okay.
definitely next year I will release my one song. Happy.
Okay. मतलब had you sing a song in Punjabi?
No, just for example.
Okay, for example. What benefit you can get from painting as a hobby?
There are definitely many benefits from painting as a hobby.
Mhm.
Because we painting and we can also sort our painting in and sketch different and then happy.
Okay.
So there, I painting has very benefit.
Okay. So I'm taking another question. What is your favorite weather?
My favorite weather is because I love winter.
Okay.
Winter season. I go and
Mhm.
enjoy sky with
Okay, very nice, very nice. And so, do you think prefer rainy or dry weather?
definitely I
Dry.
prefer rainy season with for my family. I cook and like
Mhm.
mix and sabzi pakora for my family and
Mhm.
make happy.
Okay. I'm taking another question.
Yes.
So, did you enjoy your childhood?
Yeah, definitely I enjoy my childhood. Childhood people are tension free. They
Mhm.
have no tension. They have no tension like money, job, etc. They are
Mhm.
fully free.
Okay. What is the first memory you have of your childhood?
My first memory of my childhood when my parents go to market and my first photo clicked and maintained into frame.
Mhm. It was your first memory. Very good. And what did you enjoy doing as a child?
But yes, definitely every person did that childhood best memories. Both sides different from every situation.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay. So next question is, are you good at organizing your time?
Uh, organizing means
Organizing means manage. Are you good at managing your time? Maintain means
yes,
what you have
I
to do in 2 day. For example, what you have to do in 2 day after speaking, you have to go to breakfast, and then you have to go to
yes,
market. Yeah, this
yes.
is, yeah. So
As,
yes.
as far as my concern,
Mm-hmm.
I organizing my time very well
Okay.
because I my every work in my book. So when I get up early in the morning, I I studio.
Okay,
So
okay.
my time is also organized very well.
Very nice. How do you usually organize your time?
Mostly I between my job Monday to Saturday. When
Mm-hmm.
I'm free in Sunday, then I'm managing my time to go to gym, go with my friends, and about some clothes in mall. Then my time is organizing.
Okay,
So
okay.
I am thinking my life.
Okay, just we have to go another question. Are clothes important to you?
Yeah, definitely clothes are more important in. days
Mm-hmm.
because if we are doing comfortable clothes, then another person recognizes he is a sincere, he is a gentleman. So I think clothes are more important.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely I wear formal clothes because formal clothes is Saturday I am going to my job, so my HR says that uniform is most necessary job.
Mm-hmm.
So I prefer that my first choice is formal.
Your first choice is formal dress. Okay, formal dress. And have you ever worn a uniform?
Yes, definitely I want a uniform because my field uniform is necessary.
Mm-hmm.
So definitely I often one or twice about my uniform.
Okay. So move another question. It is necessary to maintain this question have been done. Would you consider yourself a broad-minded person?
Yes, definitely I am a moderate-minded person because my opinion to the other person, my opinion, good opinion to other person, then is a good advice, and I think my advice is good for his work, good for his family.
Okay. Do you try analyzing another persons in an argument?
Yeah, definitely I analyzing one time argument, but other person say an argument who did not understand my situation. I am right, but you are wrong. One time I analyzing.
Okay, just wait, Yuvraj. I'm taking another panelist. Hi, Naved. Good morning.
Hi, Abdul. Good morning.
How are you?
I'm doing good. How about you?
Yeah. Also, I'm well. And so, Naved, tell us something about yourself.
Basically, I am from Bihar
Oh,
and
you are
I'm
from?
currently working as a Bihar.
Okay. From where in Bihar?
But now,
Okay. Okay, proceed.
so, currently I'm working as a senior software engineer
Okay.
in one of the startup companies in Bangalore,
Mm-hmm.
and also having 4 years of experience in IT domain.
Mm-hmm.
But on top of that, I have played national tournaments and table tennis championship
Mm-hmm.
and represented my Bihar state.
Okay, so one question: why you want to join in IELTS?
Uh, After I think I have booked my slot for 15th of October,
Mm-hmm.
so that is the reason I have joined the IELTS group.
Okay. So today's question is: would you consider yourself a broad-minded person?
No, I not consider myself as a broad-minded person.
Mm-hmm.
As whatever position I am having right now,
Mm-hmm.
I have to justify my team also, and also I have to help them in whatever situation they are stuck. So a broad-minded person,
Mm-hmm. Okay, just wait. I'm taking another question. So first, I want to go on Yuvraj Singh. Are you interested in science?
Yes, science is a part and parcel of our life.
Mhm.
So I think science is most important in our life. Because in science, today there are a lot of inventions. For example, 5G is also available in our country. Yes.
Okay, Mr. Naved, what do you think?
I think science is an indispensable part of the society.
Mhm.
Also, in our childhood, have grown up by studying science as a major subject. Also, nowadays happens in the like modern era and contemporary epoch. I would say everything depends on science, and also uh, whatever whatever is happening around the world now is because of science.
Okay, so do you think is learning science important?
Exactly, yes, because uh, learning science is important as whatever we are doing today.
Okay, what kind of science classes did you study at a school?
You are asking Yuvraj.
Yeah, you.
So during my childhood, I remember like we have different kinds of subjects such as social science and normal science subjects. So in social science, we have studied geography and history, civics, and on top of that, in normal science, we have studied physics, chemistry, and biology.
Okay, and what do you think, Yuvraj? What kind of science classes did you study at school?
To be honest, I say uh, I to be honest, I say that my favorite class is science is nutrition. In nutrition, teachers also for good diet and proper proper fitness of our body. So my favorite topic is nutrition in my school. Thank you.
Okay, actually, I actually just I have to conclude the session because I am watching my watch also. So Naved, among us, your speaking is very well than us. Okay, so I want to give you give feedback of us.